हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। इस वीडियो में हम रेन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर जो बुक है उसकी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करेंगे। ये हमारी पूरी सीरीज है जिसमें हम हर वीडियो में अपनी एक्सरसाइज जो है उनको एक एक करके सॉल्व करेंगे। पॉइंट आउट द नाउन्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड से whether they are common, proper, collective or abstract. Common noun is a name given to every person or thing of same class or kind. Proper name is of some particular person. Collective name given to any number of persons or things. Abstract is the name of a quality or action or state apart from the object to which it belongs. Now let's do our exercise. The crowd was very big. Crowd. Collective. Always speak the truth. Truth. Abstract. We all love honesty. Abstract. Our class consists of 20 pupils. Class. Collective. Pupils. Common. The elephant has great strength. Elephant. Common. Strength. Abstract. Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Solomon. Proper. Wisdom. Abstract. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness. Abstract. Godliness. Abstract. We saw a fleet of ships in the harbor. Fleet. Collective. Ships. Common. Harbor. Common. The class is studying grammar. Class. Collective. Grammar. Abstract. The Godavari overflows its banks every year. Godavari. Proper. Banks. Common. Year. Common. A committee of 5 was appointed. Committee. Collective. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Proper. India. Proper. The soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. Soldiers. Common. Bravery. Abstract. Without health, there is no happiness. Health. Abstract. Happiness. Abstract. He gave me a bunch of grapes. Bunch. Collective. Grapes. Common. I recognized your voice at once. Voice. Common. Our team is better than theirs. Team. Collective. Never tell a lie. Lie. Abstract. Wisdom is better than strength. Wisdom. Abstract. Strength. Abstract. He sets a high value on his time. Value. Abstract. Time. Abstract. I believe in his innocence. Innocence. Abstract. This room is 30 feet in length. Room. Common. Feet. Common. Length. Abstract. I often think of the happy days of childhood. Days. Common. Childhood. Abstract. The streets of some of our cities are noted for their crookedness. Streets. Common. Cities. Common. Crookedness. Abstract. What is your verdict? Gentlemen of the jury. Verdict. Abstract. Gentlemen. Common. Jury. Collective.